Hey guys, Sam here from Landscape Plus. We're going to take a quick look at the new and, in my opinion, improved IN-LITE Sample Case XL. So as you will see, new case, a little bit more rugged in design, really nice. More fittings in the new one than what we had in the old sample case. So a few of them haven't changed. We've still got the Smart Scope tone, we've still got the Ace low, we've still got a mini sway in there, obviously a firm favourite. We've still got the Evo Flex in there, but it's now a straight length in the profile, so really nice for showing the profile off as well. Got a couple of the pucks, so the bigger and the smaller puck. We have got a couple of recessed lights in here, so we've got the Smart Flux tone, and we've got the Hive. I'm looking at Ed, yeah, we've got the Hive, perfect. And then we have also got a couple of the dots in here, one with the ring on there, and then one without to show the sort of real slick recessed option. Usual stuff in below, we have got the Smart Hub 150, length of cable, loads and loads of connections, spikes for showing the spike mounted options. Another little change is the Ace wall light has changed to a down light rather than an up down light. But yeah, really cool additions, loads more fittings in there. Last one that I haven't mentioned, we've got the AIM over here, which is the stackable spike light. Really cool and slick. So yeah, loads of options. We've got plenty of these in stock. Give us a call, let us know.